In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this $10 22-inch human hair wig from Temu. Y'all, this was a deal.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒹𝒾, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I came across the best deal that I ever had on Temu. I truly mean that. I mean that. Look me in my eye. Look me in my big blue contact eye. I have a wig for each week, but I had to stop my planning because I plan my content basically, and I had to throw this wig way up there. I had to put this content out because I'm like, this is a deal. Let me tell you guys this. So I had a wig in my cart ready to purchase, and I'm like, okay, this is like a good deal. So it was a V-part wig, human hair, 22 inches for $10. I'm like, okay, yeah. Even though I'm natural, baby, I will flat iron my hair for this V-part wig. I would. When I got the package, I was like, this ain't what they said. This is not a V-part wig. What is this? Normally, I don't look at my wigs until I show you guys here on camera. But baby, I was like, I was mind blown. $10, 22 inches human hair wig. I gotta see. When I opened this package, it was not a V-part wig. I was like, dang, Temu done got me. I was like, hold on, wait a minute. This is better than the V-part wig. Let me show you guys what they sent me instead of the V-part wig that was human, 22 inches. That don't sound bad, but I paid $10 for this wig. This wig I'm about to show you. Let me show you. As y'all can see through this bag, your girl's got a stocking cap, and I love when they send a stocking cap, because baby, I ain't never got to buy a stocking cap ever again. Oh gosh, I hope it's everything that it says. This is me when I first got the package. I hope it's everything it says. Wig cap. I love a wig cap. This is me acting out when I first got the package. Here's a wig. Wait a minute. It's not a V-part. Oh no, they got out on me. And I'm looking, I'm like, okay, it's not a V-part wig. So I pull it out, and I'm like, Sent me the wrong wig. That's number one. Number two, I love it. I love it. Oh my God, y'all. This is human hair. It's a lace. It's a lace on it. I'm cool with that. I'm cool. You give me a lace for a wig, I'm alright. I'm alright. It ain't a V part. But baby, y'all see, let me take this out. We ain't gonna do this. We're not gonna do that. Take the gut out. So, y'all, of course you know it's not a V-part wig. Baby, $10. I paid $10. I'm gonna show y'all this. $10 for this human hair. I don't even know how many inches she is. She's supposed to be 22 V-part wig, but she is this. I mean, she might be 22 inches, but she human, y'all. I'm just, okay. Whoa. This is by far the best deal I ever had. There was 2 wigs left, and I'll let someone know, hey, you can get this 22-inch wig for $10. And I put the link on my YouTube, so if you ain't subscribed, you missed it. Let's get into the details on this. First things first, she ain't synthetic. She could possibly be 22 inches, I mean 18 inches or 20 inches, but overall, I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining at all. The lace, real good, stretchy, she nice and soft, and she's gonna, yeah, she's good. It's a middle part. All right, so it's 2 combs right here on the side. It is 1 comb in the back. Of course, the adjustable straps, and baby got a band. She got a band. Nicely. She stretched. She even got lace in the back. I don't even care about that. I'm gonna cut that because I don't like that. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. This is like really, really nice. Looking at the hairlines, I feel like I will pluck a little bit. Let's see. I'm not for sure if it has a lot. It doesn't have a lot of plucking space, but that's cool. I'm fine. Okay, so I already put on my cap and put a little foundation on there. So let's put this wig on. I'm gonna cut this. I am ready to put this wig on, baby. She adjusted the band, the adjustable straps. Let's get this on, girl. Boom. Woo. Hey, y'all. Baby. Baby. Oh. $10. Let's go ahead and let's get baby together, okay? Baby, I can't believe it. I'm like really shocked. And $10. Oh my God, like what? I'm no gatekeeper. I'm not gonna keep anything from you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know. But first, I gotta place the order in first before I tell you. Hands down, if you see any video before this video or after this video, I don't think I can come across anything like this no more. I don't think I could. Yeah, this is the best deal I ever had. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace. I'm going to go ahead and get that out the way. So I'm going to go in with my melting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and put it along the side right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my band and I'm gonna try to lay this down the best I can. Put a little touch on there. So let's put the band on. Yeah. And we're gonna do that for 10 minutes. I'm gonna plug in my flat iron. What is this? This ain't a flat iron. My curling iron, because I think I want to curl this. And if I try to curl it and it don't do, y'all lied to me. Y'all had my hopes up high. Y'all lied to me. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. And if it's not human, give me my $10 back. Run me my $10 back. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Wow. Listen. I ain't finna starve myself for nobody. Alright, so I think it's been well over 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this off. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready and pluck. And I wanna take my time with this. I'm really gonna pluck this time. Okay. So I did this side, started plucking. Can you see it? And this is what it looks like on the other side. So I'm gonna do this side and I will be right back. All right, so I did both sides. I plucked a little bit. You really don't have that much plucking space. It's cool. I'm gonna let this air dry. Instead of putting on the melting band, I'm just gonna let it be like that. It's like literally disappearing. Girl. Oh. I don't have that much room to part. So we're just going to make it do what it do. I'm going to go in with my wax stick because I got a lot of flyaway hair. And I'm just going to push this back. And I'm going to put it right there. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and I'm gonna push this hair back. Yo. Ooh. Ooh, it's really human hair. If you want to wear it like this, you can. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. Let me get finished with this and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can't have the fleet. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass, so now you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
Girl, $10. Know what I spent? $10. I'm so amazed at this. Amazed at the price that I paid for this. This is $10 for a human hair wig, 22 inches. I'll take this over a V-part wig any day. Okay. Look at her. Y'all. I can't make this up. This is human hair. Literally human hair. This is not synthetic. So let me talk about everything that I've done off camera. Okay. Obviously, I tried to curl this unit. It did not work. It did not work. I don't know why it didn't work. Maybe I didn't keep it on there long, but I tried to curl this unit and she did not take. The curl just failed. And I'm like, nah, we ain't finna do that. But when I straighten her, when I straighten this unit, yeah, she did real good with heat. Okay. The other thing that I've done, I cut layers in it. I did cut layers. I wanted to have, I don't know, I just wanted this layer in front because I just didn't want the bone straight look. I also put foundation on this part, in the part, well, in, wait, what? Made sure I put foundation right here, on the side. And I also put foundation right here in the middle. Overall, that's all I've done. I flat ironed it. I bumped it right here. Let me try to make sense of this. It did not curl when I tried to curl it, but it did bump. You see that? It has a little curl to it. It did take heat when it came to that. Overall, she is 100% human hair. I have nothing bad to say about this unit at all. Baby, she's soft. She take heat. And the lace is wonderful. Do you see that? Like, what? That look good. That look real good. If I was to give this hair a rating, I would say she passed 10. Okay. I will never in my life come across a deal like this. Ever. I know this. So that's why I tell people to subscribe to me, because I can show you them deals. My subscribers, they found out about this unit after I did. I'm just saying, make sure you subscribe, because like, I'm finding them deals, okay? Well, with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And also stay tuned, because I will always post my deals. I did post it. If you missed out, you wasn't subscribed to me. You didn't know about it. Because why? You wasn't subscribed to me. I'm done. Bye. See y'all in the next video.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cool, pussy awesome, that you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
I need chills, I told that nigga, he like a baby, carry